Hi, I'm Don, and this is The Hobbyist Geek. Alright, today we're going to be doing Pack 4 on the LEGO Death Star lighting kit. And this is going to be an interesting one because we're going to be doing the very bottom level here, which is going to present some interesting camera challenges for me. So hopefully things come out well, and well, let's get to it. Alright, Pack 5 has two strings of lights. You've got a 3-part of these ceiling lights, and then these red elevator lights. And we're going to start with the ceiling lights. Okay, this is about as low as I can get the camera, so I hope it goes well as we go through this. We're beginning in the room with Luke Skywalker's little rope swing here. Notice that I've got the USB cables for the other light strings that we've done, and I've strung them underneath this little railing just for a little cable channel. So we begin with the first light, and what we're going to want to do, we're going to want to bring it in, we'll push it through the door here, and unlike the other ones, we're not going to be plugging these in as we go. We're going to actually string them all the way through first. So we'll get all 3 lights into that door there. And we move around to the next room. Take the light string and we push it right through into the next room. And repeat. If you can. I know my hand's in the way here. Not a lot of room to work with. So I am really doing my best. I apologize. Alright, going back. We've got Luke's rope swing room, one over. We're going to take this light, we're going to plug it into the ceiling as close to the center as we can. That looks okay, I think. Let's see if we've got some slack for the next room. That was much easier. And the final room. There we go. That's nice. We're going to go back to Luke's swinging room. I'm going to take these lights, we're going to plug them in to the elevator. Not a lot of explanation needed here. try to keep the cabling inside the elevator shaft to hide it as best you can. I'm going to start on the right side and go counterclockwise. And I'm going to try and take these little lights off first. All right. Now I've gone ahead and removed all of the little clear pieces here. We're going to go ahead and install these flashing elevator lights as best we can in their place. And we will show you all of the lights for the bottom level. Maybe not as impressive as some of the upper levels, but I really like those elevator lights. Those are very, very nice. And they are coming through quite well. And there you have it, part 4 complete. That was a difficult one. Very, very, very little room for your hands, much less a camera or anything else. But the end result, I believe, is quite nice, and I think it's going to look great when we light up the rest of it to go with it. I can't wait. The next one is going to be our final episode, and we're finally going to be done lighting up this Death Star. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to subscribe and share it with your friends. Leave me a comment if you have any advice on how to do this a little easier, and we'll see you next time. Bye.